It is 1:51 p.m. Went down to the parts store, got some gloves. Some different gloves here, more heavy duty gloves. It's important to double check your part numbers. Not going OEM with the brakes, no need for that. So it's 1:51 p.m. Let's try to time ourselves. How fast can we do the brakes in the front here? And then I took it for a test drive at 5:18. So it took me like 3 hours to do both sides of the front brakes. Hopefully everything went okay. I'm not dropping any fluids or losing them. I'm gonna go get a bag of ice for my intense sunburns. It's 95 degrees today. I feel like I've been at war.